Hello, our little stars. Welcome back to Sleepy Stretches with Sally and Savy Seal, the coziest place under the sea, where wiggles turn into yawns, and yawns turn into dreams.
Hi, friends. I'm Savy Seal, and I just did the best yawn ever. In fact, I think I'm about to do another one. Yawn!
Uh-oh. When Savy starts yawning, that means it's almost sleepy time. And tonight, we're visiting a very special ocean friend. Look, little stars. See how the jellyfish floats so softly, up and down, opens and closes, just like it's yawning in the water. Let's stretch like a yawning jellyfish together. Sit or lie down comfortably. Reach your arms way up high like jellyfish tentacles. Now slowly float them down, wiggle your fingers gently, and whisper, float, float, float.
Oh, I feel like a sleepy jelly cloud.
Put your hands on your belly, breathe in through your nose like you're filling a bubble. 2, 3. Now blow the bubble out slowly through your mouth. Ooh! Let's do that again. In, big jelly bubble. Out. Slow ocean breeze.
I think my whiskers are getting sleepy.
Open your arms wide. Open your mouth gently. And do a big jellyfish yawn. Now close your arms and give yourself a soft hug. Good night, jellyfish.
Good night, jellyfish. Good night, bubbles. Good night, ocean. Good night, my flippers.
Little stars. Your body worked so hard today. Now it's time to rest, recharge, and dream. Imagine you're floating in warm, glowing water. Tiny lights twinkling all around you. You're breathing slow. Your eyes heavy. Your heart calm. You are safe. You are loved. And you did an amazing job today.
If you're feeling cozy, give your pillow a hug. Snuggle in and let your eyes drift closed.
We're so proud of you, little stars. Sleep tight, dream bright, and we'll see you in the next Sleepy Stretches with Sally and Savy Seal. Good night.